Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data science with Square, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core services Square offers for data science applications. Familiarize yourself with the Square APIs that facilitate data integration and enhancement. Identify the key data sets relevant to your business needs. Gather the necessary data from Square's different platforms, such as transactions and inventory. Utilize the Square SDKs to streamline data collection from various sources. Next, perform data cleaning to ensure accuracy and consistency. Employ data exploration techniques to derive insights from your clean data. Utilize visualization tools to present your findings clearly and effectively. Start developing machine learning models based on the insights you've gained. Train your models using historical data to enhance prediction capabilities. Evaluate your models using relevant metrics to measure their performance. Once satisfied, deploy your models in a production environment using Square's infrastructure. Implement continuous monitoring to ensure models are performing optimally over time. Automate routine tasks to improve efficiency and scalability in your workflow. Leverage Square's ecosystem for collaboration among your data science teams. Regularly update your models with new data to maintain relevance and accuracy. Finally, document your processes for future reference and continuous improvement. This comprehensive approach will help you effectively scale your data science initiatives with Square. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.